Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a reputable VPN and creating an account. Pick a plan that fits your needs and note your credentials. Once done, download the official app for your device, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, or router firmware, and install it. Make sure to allow required permissions, like network access, during installation. You're initiating the secure tunnel now, so enable any offered automatic updates and optional kill switch during setup. This prevents leaks if the connection drops. You sign into the app and immediately choose a protocol, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, because protocol affects performance and security. Next, pick a server location based on your goal, nearby for speed, specific country for content access. Then enable protection features. Kill switch to block traffic if VPN fails, DNS leak protection to prevent queries from exiting the tunnel, and optional split tunneling when you need local access for some apps. Adjust auto connect and startup so the VPN runs when you need it. You tap connect and wait until the app confirms it's connected. This establishes the encrypted tunnel. Once connected, verify by checking your IP address and running a DNS leak test to confirm traffic uses the VPN servers. Also run a quick speed test to set expectations and possibly switch servers for better performance. If something goes wrong, restart the app or device, switch protocol or server, and retest. If problems persist, contact the provider's support with logs. One key tip: disable other network apps that may interfere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.